but the third layer, when he clipped them, it was like everything in my head and back opened up. And so now you can see that the way that I hold myself is completely different. This would have been impossible before the surgery. The pressure in my jaw is gone. The pressure in the back of my head is gone. My dowager's hump, which I had a really big one, gone in 1 second flat.
After the first couple releases, I felt this sensation kind of go up the side of my face, just kind of like a release. And then I don't feel like I'm crunched forward anymore. I feel like I can just kind of relax now. I just don't feel as tense. It was really weird, and I felt it actually go down my back a little bit. And I feel good.
My quads feel looser, and this area feels different. I don't know if it feels looser, but it feels like it's moved.
When we had started the procedure, my feet just sort of naturally had been, the right one was more or less vertical, but the left one tipped out to the side. And when the first release happened, there was this kind of wave of relaxation that went through my body, and my left leg just very naturally on its own tipped up to be parallel, and that just was sort of the new natural. Lift up your chin. Up. Swallow. I'm gonna put pressure in your mouth. Is that okay?
Yeah, it feels awesome. I feel great.
You feel good?
It feels like something just released.
Good. Great. But I want to continue. Is that okay?
Yeah. It feels like it just released all the stiffness and
All the stiffness where?
in my muscles and bones and body.
Can you point to it where you felt the release?
A little bit up here and here,
Uh-huh.
and down on my thighs.
Feels better?
Yeah, it feels like something just got released, and it feels like all my muscles just calmed down as something released. Everything just calming it down. That's a good feeling.
Wow, that's amazing.